From the same device settings menu, you can scroll down to configure your cables. Cable configuration can be expanded, and then you can enter in the information that you need. In this case, and in all cases where we have a B board at the top, the B board with the C board attached to it is going to be DC number 1. In this case, we have a headspace for our first position. Anytime that you have a headspace involved, it will be DC1, cable 1. We can send that configuration, and at the bottom you'll see a cable write success message. We can go back in and expand again, and we can hit DC1, cable 2, and that should be our center cable. In this case, it's a moisture cable with 24 sensors. Next, we'll go in and configure our perimeter cables. Perimeter cables should be configured starting with the first cable to the right of the stairs. In this case, DC1. Cable 3, again, will be a moisture cable and with 20 sensors. Finally, we'll program our DC2 board. This, in this case, is going to be at the bin manager itself, and we have a headspace, a APS plenum and a weather station. DC2, cable 1 will be our APS plenum, and then DC2, cable 2 will be our weather station. Each time you'll get a cable write success. Once you've completed this task, you can hit the hamburger menu, select cable readings, and you should have your cables populated here. Once we've done that and we've confirmed all of our readings are good, by clicking into and reading each one of the cables, we can come back to the device settings menu, select expand on send manual report, and send our report. In order to check that report, you can then go to your case map, select the magnifying glass in the top right corner, and search for that particular LSN. It is important that you make sure you have the correct LSN. As you can see, we have an account with that same LSN, as well as a bin with this LSN. I'll click into the bin. I will select logs, and here is our report. We have no errors. Our weather station has no errors. Our APS plenum has no errors, and our cables have no errors. And that is how we configure our cables and send a manual report.